Learn English. Welcome to English 8K Vocabulary. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Sunday, February 9th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is a person that is traveling for fun. Number 2 means each, all. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is a tourist. Jennifer is a tourist. Tourist. She is not at home. She is traveling for fun. Now we can make a flashcard for tourist. Please write tourist up here in the top left corner. Tourist. Down here, PEO1. This means people, level 1. Over here, the number 69 out of 78. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Tour. Tourist. What about you? Were you a tourist before? Where were you? Let me know in the comments. Now, word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Every ball is green. Every ball is green. Every. But when we speak quickly, we say every. All of the balls are green, 100%. Now we can make a flashcard for every. Please write every up here in the top left corner. EVERY. Down here, the category, GW1. This means grammar words, level 1. Over here, the number 43 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Can you do it? Every. Game over. Bob is a tourist. Very good. Is he at home or is he traveling? Correct. Number 2, every. Yes, it means all of something, each one. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is a very, very thin piece of string we use for making clothing. Number 2 means to be times 2. And number 3 means to consume all of something. And the missing letters are RBS. Thread, double, and to use something up. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. "25 classes every month." Please write your language on the other side of the card. You can join our program anytime.